We hunting Coors Light. Oh, look at that. One's just laying there against the tree in the shade. Man. He gone. What is up, y'all? It is Wisco Hillbilly here. As usual. It's been a little bit. It's been a little while since we made a video. There's been a lot going on in the world these past couple of months with the whole pandemic. I'm not going to say what it is because we can't say it on YouTube. So I'm just going to say the great pandemic. I don't know if that might even get me monetized. I don't know. Who knows? Anyways, you all know what I'm talking about. But hope everybody's being safe. I know we're trying to be safe and clean and healthy. Hope everybody else is. I just had to run and get some gas in the Jeep because we were running low. Otherwise, I've been keeping, practicing social distancing when I go out and about. I don't try to go out to like any stores too much, obviously at a gas station to get gas. And then otherwise, if I go anywhere, it's just to go cruise because I don't like to be cooped up in the house all day. And otherwise, we go outside and enjoy the weather in the yard when we can, when it's nice out. But it is Wisconsin, so it's still a little chilly out. Yeah, anyways, I'm on my way back to the farm. Gotta go feed the new chicks. We got 98 of them. Then we're getting another 24 or 25 laying chickens. The ones that lay eggs that we can eat. The 98 of that we have are for butchering. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna go and feed them, make sure they're all good and healthy and warm. So yeah, let's go back, go feed the chicks, and figure out what we're gonna do today. Stay tuned. Okay, so we are back here at the farm. I'm in the kitchen. We got our milk jug to put some water in for the chicks. I got ahead of myself. Forgot to start recording, but put some probiotics in with the water. We usually put electrolytes in, but we're out of electrolytes, so probiotics will be fine for now. Put that in their water. We'll get some electrolytes later and give them electrolytes later on in the day. But let's put some water in the jug, go out to the chicken coop, give them some feed. Okay, well, we got the chickens fed and watered. I'm gonna go put this back on the porch here quick. And we got our dog out in the kennel this morning and today because it's nice out. We got her in her outside kennel. So I'm gonna go give her some water so she don't get dehydrated. Picture of water for her. And let's go give her some water. There's Sky. Hi, Sky. Hi. Oh, yes. Yeah, let's see if I can do this. Oh, I'm missing. She got some water in there yet. There. don't have to open it up, so I don't have to worry about you running out. Yeah, because you're Houdini. Yes, you're Houdini. There we go. It's a good girl. It's a good girl. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Yes, who's a good girl. Okay. I wanted to show you guys something pretty cool that we've been working on for our little man Ollie. He's into cars and tractors, and he's already got a tractor. Here, let me show you the tractor. That's his Oliver tractor. For those of you that don't know tractors, that actually was a brand name of a tractor. It was Oliver. That's his tractor. Show you guys something super cool that me and the wife been working on. The wife's been doing all like the little fine details, like the brush painting. She's gonna be doing some pinstriping on it for him, and I've been doing like the big painting on it, like the actual coat of the paint, and then disassembling it and fixing some stuff and putting it back together. But anyways, it's enough of me rambling. I'm gonna show you what it is. Okay, so what it is, it's pretty cool. I mean, it's not perfect shape because we know he's 2 years old. We knew it was gonna get banged up and scratched again because he's a little boy and that's what little boys do. So we didn't go perfect on it. We just made it look a lot better. Before they looked pretty cruddy before. And so he wasn't too sure about it because of the way it looked. I'm gonna throw in some pictures for you guys to see, like the before and after pictures. I'll let you guys look at those. But it's kind of like a 57 Chevy Bel Air. We have a bow tie for it that we gotta stick on there again. We just sanded the center off because it was blue, painted it white so it looked a little classier for his car. But anyways, yeah, this is his new ride. But anyways, it'll be perfect for him, and then when he gets too big for it, I'm gonna tear it back down and we're gonna like straighten the body out, and we're gonna do a complete restoration on it. That way he can put it up on a shelf in his bedroom, or you know, we can just show it off somewhere. But yeah, that's his new car, so that's pretty cool. Oh, and I almost forgot. I painted something else this week. This turned out really sweet. Alright, I'm back, guys. We're out in the middle of nowhere with the Jeep. Found this really cool spot. I'm not going to go through it. I don't know how mucky it is underneath the water. So I don't want to get stuck because there's nobody else out here with me to pull me out if I do get stuck. But I'm going to let you see what it is. It's an old gravel, dirt, mud, country road here in Wisconsin. I came from that way, so I just backed it up into the water to get a cool picture. Yeah, just out enjoying, doing my social distancing.
Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. 8-6 all the hay. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars. I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want to act, not the ghost. For the record, don't try and make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to make no time to waste. Running through it with the young influence, adolescent presence, I'm succumbing to it. I've been giving yeses when I shouldn't do it. I complete ejected, but the moves elusive, and I'm barely moving, but I'm still gon' boost them. I can't work on winners when I know you're losing, so I work the winners and they throw the deuces. Guess I had to pivot, shooting no bazookas for the facts. I need racks, paper cash, fuck a tax, that's a joke. Tell them laugh, Uncle Sam, fuck out the bag. Brody plot, forget a whack, contract, give me the max. I got lab on my back, you ain't that, then it's raps. Whoa, whoa, whoa. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to make no time to waste. Facts, I need racks, paper cash, fuck a tax, that's a joke. Tell them laugh, Uncle Sam, fuck out the bag. Brody plot, forget a whack, contract, give me the max. I got lab on my back, you ain't that, then it's raps. Whoa, whoa, whoa. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to make no time to waste.
Well, this is America, so keep it freaking American. We'll see you guys later.